and welcome back to the channel. So today we are unboxing an accessories. So this one is a spotlight, and okay, we unbox it first. So I got this spotlight prop accessories from Gang Minan from Facebook. I will put the links in the description for you guys. In the box we have the description, the 4 spotlights, some other add-ons here. We have batteries, wires, and LED lights. There's green, red, blue, and the one which is already on the spotlight is, I believe it's white. And we have this looking box where I believe we can use a battery for this. That's why we have the wires here. Yes, it's double A batteries, 3 of them. Okay, what we have here is power. So adapter, battery, off. I believe we can use a USB as well. Adapter is if you have the AV the charger, like the handphone charger. Battery, if we put the battery in. And then here we have brightness. We can set the brightness of the lamp if we are using this instead of this battery. And then we have the speed. I have yet to test this. Normal, flash, loop, return. We can test this later. Here we have the AV power. If you have another adapter charger, or we can use the USB, micro USB. So maybe we can use our power bank. Okay, towards this, the spotlight, this can be moved around here as well. You can open this also. Okay. Here is where you are going to put the battery. You will need 3 of them for one spotlight. Okay, let's close this off back. Focus. Okay, I believe this is the on off button as well. LED light, if you want to change, open here. And just pull it off. back. Okay, let's look at the other accessories that came with this in the plastic just now. From the picture you can see that this looks different. That is because the other accessories is inside here, and you can interchange them as and when you like it. Like so. And if you want to change, just pop this up and pop this in. There. Okay, let's have a light test on this one. We'll be back soon. Okay, I've set up one. So because of the process, I think I will need to show you guys on how to put on the wires into the spotlight. So you open up this, and these wires, the short one, you go through this hole. Okay, now you must ensure that the positive side is on the right side when the connector of this spotlight is at the top, and then you just push this through. Okay, let me open this so it will be easier. Just use some force, it won't break. And this part, you will plug it in behind on this box. Then USB option, on, and then put this on. Test with this one. There. So it's quite bright. Let's off this one first. Test other feature, all the features in here. Okay. So currently the brightness is high. And if we go all the way down, it's low. So you can see from there, you can adjust the brightness accordingly. And then the other features is the speed. I'm not sure. I believe this speed is for like the flash and loop. Let's go to flash. So it's flashing. Currently the speed is on the high end. If we go lower, you can see the speed of the light flashing getting slower. So this is the lowest possible speed. Okay, let's see what the loop option does. This is currently set at the lowest speed setting, and we move at the high speed. So that's the difference between loop and flash. So this is loop and this is flash. Oops. This is flash, this is loop. There's a subtle difference there if you manage to catch it. And for the last option, return, okay, this is on the highest speed. And this is on the lower speed. So I believe between flash, loop, return is basically just a blinking light for the spotlight. I'll just off this one first before my power bank die out. So here you will be getting one of these, 4 of the spotlight, and 3 other different colors of the LED. And if you want to have one of these, as I mentioned earlier, I got this from Gang Menan for ringgit Malaysia 90 ringgit, 90 ringgit. So head over to their Facebook link and contact them if you are interested to buy one. Okay, I think that's all. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, click the subscribe button and watch for the next video.